Um, Hello everyone. It's my first time recording for a YouTube video, and I just want to share that I'm not okay at this moment. Um, I will make my YouTube channel as a journal instead of consuming videos. Forgive my English. I just wanted to share that I'm not okay at this moment. The only productive thing that I did today was two things actually. I just came home from the gym and I did a morning run earlier. And I will not edit this video. I don't want to go to work tomorrow. I'm feeling stuck. That's it. To anyone of you who are struggling, know that you are not alone. Hope we can go to a better place. It's only 3 months left this year. We'll see what will happen.